Good evening, students. Today's portion, the scope of sociology as a science. Here, there are four main important points indicates that sociology as a science. The lack of experimentation, lack of objectivity, lack of exactness, and lack of predictability. So these are the four points indicates sociology as a science. Why is sociology a science or not? Some scholars opinion that sociology is a science, but some of the other scholars they argue sociology is not a science. It is a art or it is a literature. So sociology as a science, science is a body of systematic knowledge. Science is based on reason and evidences. A science is a branch of knowledge or a study dealing with the body of facts or a truths systematically arranged and showing the operation of a general laws. Totally, science means it is a what systematic study of a knowledge or a systematic body of a knowledge. Science collects facts and links them together in their casual sequence to draw valid inferences. Since adopts scientific method. Scientific knowledge is acquired through observation or experimentation, generalization, etc. Science has the following characteristics such as objectivity, observation, accurate, value neutrality, predictions or a predictability, experimentation, accurate measurement, generalization, and a cause and relationships. So, according to Auguste Comte, the founder of sociology, and Durkheim, one of the pioneers of sociology, sociology is a science because it adopts and applies the scientific method. Sociology does make use of a scientific method in the study of its subject matter. Hence, sociology is a science. Therefore, they call sociology is a science. Sociology adopts scientific method. Here, sociology studies social events by adopting scientific method. Though it cannot do experiment with the men in a laboratory, still men's social behavior is a subject to scientific investigation like a natural phenomenon. So therefore, the social scientist study about a human behavior inside the society. It means the whole society is a laboratory for the social scientist, isn't it? It employs scientific methods as a scales of a sociometry, schedule, case study. Case study means ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Case study, interview through interview method, questionnaire, and which is used to quantitatively measure social phenomena. And sociology makes accurate observation. Here, sociology is possible in the field of sociology, even if it does not possess a laboratory. Accurate observation is also possible outside the laboratory. The whole social world is the laboratory of a sociology. Newton did not invent there are laws inside a laboratory. Sociology makes observation of a tribal marriage at the time of occurrence. Right now, ಹಿಯರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಬಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ನ್ಯೂಟನನ ಚಲನೆಯ ನಿಯಮಗಳು, ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ. ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದು ಆ ಬಾಲ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮರದಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ನಿಯಮ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ನೋ, society is a laboratory. Sociology makes observation of a tribal marriage at the time of occurrences. Even if sociology does not possess a laboratory, still it makes accurate observation. Hence, sociology is a science. Besides, laboratory experiment is not the only criteria of a science. Here, objectivity also impossible. Some scholars opinion that objectivity is impossible in sociology, but sociologist argues that argued objectivity is possible in sociology. How it is? Like natural sciences, sociology also makes objective study. The statement that dowry is a social evil is an objective statement which is based on facts collected by sociologists. Further survey and Revification proves this. Sociology can also make objective study of social phenomena. New techniques and methods are also introduced to make social phenomena more objective. Hence, sociology is a science. Here, sociology describes cause-effect relationship. Like natural sciences, sociology also traces the cause and find the answers for the questions. While studying family or a population growth, sociology has traced the relationship between a family and a disorganization and a divorce, separation, and also population growth and poverty. Here, family disorganization is a cause of divorce and population growth is a cause of poverty. Thus, sociology describes cause-effect relationship in social science or a disorganization and population explosion. Hence, sociology is a science. Therefore, ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವು ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ಇಡೀ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯೇ ನಮಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Sociology describe cause-effect relationship because, like natural sciences, sociology also traces the cause and find the answers for the questions. And here, like natural sciences, sociology does frame laws and attempts to predict more accurately on the basis of cause-effect relationship. Sociology can accurately predict about the future. If there will be dowry in society, then it will lead to suicide or a poverty. Cavier's, one of the author, opinions this predictive value of sociology is improved day by day. As sociology matures day by day, it predicts more accurately. So this much about, these are the points explain about sociology as a science. Here, lack of experimentation ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, the doubt with regard to sociology as a science as a arisen because of the different meanings given to the term science. In physical science, the term science is associated with the experimentation. In this sense, sociology cannot claim to be a science because its subject matter is a human relationship or its subject matter is a society. Therefore, we cannot experiment it in a laboratory, right? There are no instruments to measure human behavior. ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಅದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ ಥ್ರೂ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆರ್ ಥ್ರೂ questionnaire method or through survey method, etc. These are the methods of a sociology or a social scientist to study about a human behavior in society. So therefore ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್, ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾನವ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಒಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅನದರ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ sociology employing the scientific method is that the sociologist or the researcher, social researcher cannot maintain complete objectivity. In physical science, a scientist can maintain a complete objectivity because the scientists view their motives or their desires, prejudices, etc. do not affect the experiment. In sociology, since the individual has his own prejudices and bias, he is not able to observe his subject with the complete detachment. So it is really difficult for the sociologist or the researcher to dissociate himself from the assumptions which he has absorbed from a childhood with the regard to any object. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಹೀಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಬಟ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅವನ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್, ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇಂದ, ಈಗ ಅವನು ನಿಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೋಶಿಯಾಲಜಿ. And lack of exactness. Accurate measurement is another characteristics of a science. Any science should be able to frame certain laws which can measure accurately. Since sociology is based on observation and such other techniques of a measurement, its conclusions cannot be expressed in a precious terms. The findings are often limited in time and space, owing to the fact that social phenomena is too vast and human motivations are complex. It is difficult to measure human behavior. Therefore, in view of the above obstacles confronting social sciences, it is said that there is no such thing as science, but at the best they are merely social studies. And finally, ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, sociology, it is a science because lack of predictability is possible here. The purpose of any science is a prediction. ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನ ಸೂಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬೇರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಗ್ರಹಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಧೂಮಕೇತು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಸೋಶಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Sociology, like any other science, is also involved in a prediction. By studying social behavior, it is able to predict it. Since the laws and conclusions in sociology cannot be expressed in a precious terms, its prediction cannot come true. Secondly, owing to the fact that social phenomenon is too vast and human motivations are complex, it is difficult to predict it. But sociology as a science frames laws and attempts to predict human behavior. Sociology has brought about many theories and laws that are generally applicable regardless of variations in culture. Since human behavior is a very complex, accurate predictions become really difficult. Moreover, no science can boast of making infallibly predictions. So adrinda naven helbodu, population cause for a poverty, or poverty is a cause for a education is cause for a poverty, or poverty is cause for a education poverty ge karanava. Education illiteracy not education, illiteracy poverty ge karanava, ಅಥವಾ poverty illiteracy ಗೆ ಕಾರಣವಾ? ಬಡತನದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಪಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವೋ, ಅಥವಾ ಬಡತನದಿಂದಲೇ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವೋ, ಅಥವಾ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಬಡತನ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು? ಇದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಓವರ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ಹೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತಿರುವ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, right? Okay, this much about what today's class, or about what sociology as a science, ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, we will end the meeting.